Are you ready to see how the Acadia fits your life? Let's go. In a busy parking lot, the rear vision camera really comes in handy to show what's behind you. And the available rear cross traffic alert radar can sense vehicles approaching even before you can. On busy streets, the available forward collision alert helps detect an imminent front-end collision and then warns you so you can take action. Cruising on the highway, the available lane change alert with side blind zone alert uses radar to help detect and warn you of fast approaching traffic so that speed demon doesn't catch you off guard. When you're ready to hand the keys to your teenager, Teen Driver Technology will help you teach them safer driving habits by letting you set speed alerts, a volume limit, and more, even when you're not there to supervise.
Or worry.